Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we will be doing a performance testing of 3 Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 power devices. We have the Xiaomi 13 Pro with us, then we have the iQOO 11 launched early this year, and we also have the OnePlus 11 which was launched early this month. So in fact it was launched around Feb 7th. So 3 devices with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Now let's go to the about phone of these 3 devices. Let's just open settings. So about phone, so here you can see here MIUI 14, Android 13, FunTouch OS 13, Android 13, and here we have Oxygen OS 13 and Android 13. Now 3 different UIs, and we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on all of these devices. You can see here Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Then we have 16 gigs of RAM on the OnePlus and the iQOO 11, while we have 12 gigs of RAM on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. So that's the only difference between these 2 devices. All are really powerful and comes with a great hardware. So let's do the performance testing of these 3 devices. So let's first start with the CPU throttling test and see how they perform in all these 3 testing. So before getting started, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So here we have the final results of the throttling test. Now this is the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Here you can see here CPU throttled to 82% of this max performance. The maximum value is 356. Here we have CPU throttled to 85% of the max performance, and the maximum value is 330, and the max value on the OnePlus 11 is 328, and CPU throttled to 79%. So the best among this was iQOO with 85%. Second was Xiaomi 13 Pro with 82, and the third was the OnePlus 11 with 79% value. Now next let's see the throttling test of these 3 devices in performance mode. So this test was conducted in the regular mode, not the performance mode. Now in performance mode, you can see here Xiaomi 13 Pro is 89% of the max performance. Now iQOO 11 was 81% of its max performance, and OnePlus 11 was just 54%. You can see here 2 areas the performance went down drastically. So that was the throttling test of these 3 devices in performance mode, and what you saw before was the regular mode. So next is the AnTuTu benchmark score. You can see here the Xiaomi 13 Pro is 12,42,000. This is 12,75,000, and this is 12,31,000. So nothing much to differentiate between these 2 devices. All are in the 12 lakh category. Now again, this test has been conducted in the performance mode on all the 3 devices. So we'll just see the individual scores. You can see here 2,51,000, 2,63,000, 2,48,000. So nothing much to differentiate. You can see here a quite similar score of 12 lakh with the AnTuTu test. Now all the 3 are Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Now next let's see the storage test. So we'll just open the storage test as well. So we have just conducted the storage test, and you can see here again quite similar values. 1,26,000 1,26,000 approximately on Xiaomi 13 Pro, 1,20,000 on the iQOO 11, and 1,21,000 on the OnePlus 11. Again quite similar, nothing much to differentiate. Here you can see a sequential read score, and you can also see the write score was slightly better on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. All of these are UFX 4.0 support and LPDDR5X RAM, the variant which we have tested. So now we have done the wildlife extreme stress test on these three devices. This is the next test we have done. So here again you can see here Xiaomi 13 Pro does the lead here, 96.4 percentage stability. That's something which is really incredible. The best loop score is 3728, and you can see that the loop score almost same values you are getting here, and the performance range is also here, performance monitoring, battery temperature, and it went up to 49 degrees. That's the stresses, and you can see lowest loop score is 3590 and stability is 96.4, very good. And here we have iQOO 11. The best loop score is 3319, lowest is 2508, and stability is 75.6 percentage. And here you can see performance range, and the temperature is slightly lower on the iQOO 11, and here we have the result. This is 75.6, and on OnePlus 11 you can see here the score is just 55.6 percentage. 3626 is the best loop score, and the lowest loop score is 2015. And here let's see, you can see performance takes a dip here. Here also temperature is slightly lower than the Xiaomi 13 Pro. You can see here. Here also you can see that the frame rate is, it has gone up to 6 fps, while here it's 17 to 27 fps. Here also you can see 11 to 25 fps. So everything, every other monitoring aspect is there. So you can see here Xiaomi 13 Pro did a really good job here in terms of extreme wildlife extremes stress test. This is 3D marks test. So that was the stress test, and now let's go to the final test, the GeekBench 6 test. So now we have the GeekBench 6 results. You can see here Xiaomi 13 Pro 1982, 5169 is a multi-core, and single core score is 1982. Here 1992, 5211 single and multi core score, and here we have the OnePlus 11 with 1968 and 5217. So nothing much to differentiate between these three devices. You can see here almost similar score on these three phones. So that was the benchmark performance and other testing on these three devices. So you can see that all the three devices performed equally well. Now in terms of throttling, both these devices, that's the Xiaomi 13 Pro and the iQOO 11, did really well, while OnePlus was slightly lower, especially in the performance mode, but not by a huge margin. In terms of AnTuTu benchmark score, you can see here all the three devices had really good score. Even the storage score was also good. Now in terms of wildlife extreme stress test, Xiaomi 13 Pro took the lead, and even in the GeekBench score almost similar results we got. So that was the performance testing of the Xiaomi 13 Pro, iQOO 11 and the OnePlus 11, the three devices with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, Android 13 with 3 custom UIs. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button to get updated with all the latest videos we publish. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.